Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial in Pygame. Today we're going to have a look at adding some sound to our game. So first thing you're going to have to do is go and find some sounds to download. There's lots of free sites out there you can use. Sound Bible is one, but there's plenty more. So you'll need to find a royalty-free site or some free sounds without any copyright that you can download and freely use within your game. Once you've downloaded them, one thing to make sure is that your music file is in the WAV format. Now, Pygame can handle MP3s, but it's a bit on the glitchy side. So to be safe, download a music file and a car crash sound, which is in the WAV file format. Once you've done that, make sure you've saved that music file and the sound file in the same folder that you have your code in. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is load up our sound file and play it on repeat. So here I've got my music for the background music. I've called it Car Game. You can see here it's a WAV file, and I'm setting -1 here as a parameter because I want it to play continuously in the background, because this is going to be our background music for the game. So once we've done that, we will need to load in our crash sound, because it'd be quite nice if we have, you know, a sound when the car crashes into our truck. So again, I've just gone online. I've found some copyright-free, some royalty-free sound. Again, WAV file format, because it just works in Pygame and you won't have any issues. And so just here, that's the file name. You can obviously put it in a different folder, but you need to say where it is. So for now, it's easier to keep all of your resources in the same folder. So make sure again that this crash WAV music file is in the same folder as your code. So this one will just start playing when the game goes, and will continuously play, you know, whilst the game is playing. The crash sound we obviously only want to sound if we actually hit, you know, that green truck that we've made. So to do that, quite simply, we go down to our collision detection, and down here we're detecting if, you know, our car has hit our truck. Now at the moment we're just calling the game over function. We're sleeping for 2 seconds so that the you know, the text comes up on the screen, and then we're quitting the loop. So you'll want your crash sound to come before you call the game over function. So to do that, again, we're just going to pop in 2 lines of code here, pretty straightforward, and just make sure that the it's indented in all on the same level. So here we're just saying, you know, play the sound crash, and then once you've played the sound crash, just stop everything from going, because, you know, we finished the game, we don't want the crash sound to play continuously. Okay, that's it basically. This will now work. The crash variable I had up here was that one, so if you named anything different there, you'd obviously have to make sure down here that it was, you know, whatever you named it. Okay, but crash makes sense. So there you have it, working sound. We've got our background music, we've got our crash, and as you can see, whenever we open the game now, it will come up with our music playing nicely in the background. There you go. And it ends as the game ends. So that's exactly what we wanted. Yeah, your game is now getting towards a more complete stage. Well, enjoy adding that functionality in, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.